Switch on the on-off switch. Push the primer a few times until fuel is visible in the primer. If the fuel tank was empty, more repetitions are necessary. Make sure to press the pressure release valve before starting if activated. Push the choke to the closed position. Pull the starter handle once firmly. Push the choke lever to the open position. Check pressure release valve. Now firmly pull the starter handle until the motor starts. If the engine is already hot, do not use the choke. Switch on the on-off switch. Push the choke lever to the open position. Make sure to press the pressure release valve before starting if activated. Pull the starter handle once firmly. Repeat the following steps until the motor starts. Press the pressure release valve every time before starting. Pull the starter handle firmly. For more information, refer to the manual.